One.
One.
Okay, so for today, we will be answering some of your most asked questions during our live sessions and sa comment section namin. Plus, getting to know us, I guess, getting to know us a little bit better. This is our question number one.
One.
So, what's our real name? Sino ba si Parv? Sino si Alex?
Alex Parvs. Siguro love kasi na ako confused. Kasi Alex is parang male
Guy's
dominant name, di
name,
ba?
yeah. But guys, don't be confused. Alex is actually short for Alexandra, while Parvs naman is short for
Parvin.
Parvin. So, yeah. Okay, question number 2. What is her age? Sinong mas matanda?
Sabihin na ba natin ang totoo? Kung sino? Guys, siya yung mas matanda. Pero, 5 months lang ang tinanda niya sa akin.
Yes, so we're both born in the same year, but I am 5 months older. Some kasi gets confused, like, pagka nakikita nila yung mga previous content namin wherein we said na I'm older, they thought na sobrang laki ng age gap, which is hindi naman. So, same age lang talaga kami. Months lang yung difference.
Actually, mas mukha pa ako matured dahil sa beard.
Yeah, it's because of the facial hair. Well, kasi sa Filipinos, wala masyadong
Kaya nga,
beard.
usually plain yung ano.
Or mustache. Hanggang mustache
Tama.
lang. So, yeah. Okay, number 3. Where kami nakabase? Currently, where are we?
Sa Philippines, guys.
Yes.
Yes, hindi kami yung usual couples. The usual couples sa TikTok, they're based sa India. But
Yeah.
we are placed here in the Philippines.
Yeah, so dito kami nag-meet sa Philippines and our livelihood is here in the Philippines. And nakatira kami sa sarili-sarili namin bahay. So his family has their own house here in the Philippines. I have my own house here in the Philippines. So hindi din kami live-in. Kasi yun yung usually follow-up question nila. Thinking na nasa India kami or live-in kami dito sa
Tama.
Philippines. So, question number 4. Are we still studying? No. Yeah, so as we mentioned, we're both 28, so we are already in our late 20s. Done na kami mag-study a few years back pa. We already got our degree and we both have a degree in business. So tapos na kami mag-aral, guys.
Yes, way back 2019 pa kami
Excuse me.
graduate.
Yeah, so quite a long time na. So number 5, what do we do for a living? Sugar baby. Charot!
And ako sugar daddy. Kasi both nasa isang company lang kami.
Yeah.
Oo.
So what do we do for a living?
So
No?
we own IT and IT
IT and business
IT,
So
IT
we
and
own
solutions.
an IT and business solutions company. So yun siya. And then next, are we married?
Not yet, guys.
Not
Kaya nga
yet.
love ko sinasabi sa live, mag-follow sila para at least makita nila kung paano yung magiging discarte ko.
Actually, yeah. So, not yet. That's why we're not living together as well. But we have been together for how long?
8 years.
Tama ba yan?
Yes.
Yes.
Serious na, yes.
Yes. So, we've been together for a long time, pero hindi pa kami married. Okay, another question is, do we want kids? Do we have kids already?
Do we have kids?
So, may kids
Sa tingin
na
nyo ba,
tayo?
guys?
Meron ba? Wala. So, since we're not yet married, we also
Yes,
don't have
we
kids.
don't have any kids.
Yes, despite being together for a long
Yes.
time. Next is, who made the first move?
Sabihin na ang katotohanan. Sabihin mo
Hindi,
na.
but with clarification, guys, okay?
Wala
So,
clarification.
so, I was the first one who messaged first. Pero, I messaged him because in-interview namin yung dad niya for our for our thesis project. Pero hindi because I have intentions. Siya yung may intentions kasi nung message ko siya, anong ginawa mo nun?
Reasons.
Anong ginawa mo nun? Anong ginawa mo nag-message ako?
Yes, nag-quit ako ng paglalaro ko para lang makausap siya.
So, nag-quit siya ng Dota for me. But yeah. So, languages we speak.
So guys, ako, multilingual ako. Like, I speak 4 languages. Hindi, Punjabi, Tagalog, and English.
Tumama ka na.
Yes, tama na ako sa language.
Yes. Okay, so ako naman, I'm a typical Filipino. I am bilingual. I speak Tagalog and English. So, yun. So, next question. From where si Parv sa India?
I'm from Punjab, guys. North Indian Punjabi. And we are located near Jalandhar, Kapurthala City.
Ayan. So, Punjabi siya and Northern Indian siya. For those who are asking. Next, nakapunta na ba ako ng India?
Yes.
Yes. I've been to India last 2022 and honestly, madumi siya.
Ah, really?
Hindi, guys. So, contrary to what you see online, yung mga clickbait, India is actually just like the Philippines. Merong good side, meron ding bad side. But I can tell you, malinis siya. And even their airport, mas malinis pa nga sa NAIA. And they're very modern, especially the Aerocity. Mas modern pa compared to BGC. And yeah, for me, it's the same here in the Philippines. There's always a good side and a bad side.
Actually, nakatatlong state ka rin. Ay, tatlong places ka rin
Yeah.
naka-visit. Like, sa Delhi, sa Jaipur, and sa
Tatlong state.
Agra.
Yeah.
Oo.
Yeah. Yung anong tawag doon? Holy
Yeah,
Triangle.
oh, yeah,
Hindi.
Holy Triangle natin yung tinatawag.
Golden
Ay,
Triangle.
yeah, the Golden
Naging
Triangle.
holy. Golden Triangle.
Golden Triangle,
So, yun.
yes.
And then, am I pregnant? I'm
Are
pregnant.
you? Really?
No. So
No,
guys,
guys.
no, I think people are seeing kasi one of our videos na medyo bloated ako kasi kakatapos lang namin kumain that time.
Guys, food is life kami.
Yes. And I also suffer from PCOS, guys. So, guys, it's already 2026. Let's stop assuming things about a woman's body.
agree
So,
lang.
yeah, let's be progressive. Okay, what number na tayo? Number 13.
Hmm.
Have you ever dated a Filipina before me?
Yes, alam mo naman lahat.
Yeah. Parang,
Oh, talaga, alam mo lahat din.
yeah, he did. Kasi
Guys,
he grew up
hinuhuli
here.
ako, di ko alam yan. Di ko nabasa question na yan.
He grew up here in the Philippines, so of course he did. Okay, number 14. Do we want to have kids?
Yes.
Maybe soon, but not now.
Mm,
Yeah. When do we plan to get married?
Maybe by turning 29 or 30. Tama ba?
Yeah, could be
Mga
soon,
ganun.
but not now
Yeah.
also. So, yeah. So, but we do have plans. More on that on our next episode. So, next. Sino mas sweet? Indians or Filipinas?
I think Pilipinas, tama.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think I'm
Mas sweet
sweeter.
siya sa akin.
Yes. But,
Oo.
meron siyang
Pero hindi rin
sometimes.
ako pagkakulang kasi makikita niyo naman, dinalang kita ng
Oh,
napakalaking
wow!
Binigyan ko,
For
guys. Ganun pa
publicity
nga ako.
pala. But,
Nabawi.
so, sino mas mabilis magselos? Me, yung toyo sa adobo, malakas siya.
Yes, kasi
Next.
walang toyo guys sa biryani.
Actually. Love marriage or arranged marriage?
Love marriage.
Okay. Indian wedding or Filipino wedding?
Both.
So, more on that on our next episode also. Tanggap ba ako ng parents ni Pars?
Sadly.
Sadly,
Hindi
hindi
pa.
pa. So, if you've been following us for quite a while now, you would see our content about it na hindi pa talaga ako accepted ng parents niya. But we'll talk more about it on our deep dive, I guess, about
Scuba
our
dive.
8 Scuba dive. About our 8-year relationship. But yeah,
Yes.
I guess that's it for now, and I hope you had fun with this very quick get to know us. We'll see you soon,
Yes,
guys. Bye!
thank you.
Bye-bye!